Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up WeChat for the first time in 2026. Before you try and set up WeChat, you must make sure that it is installed on your device. If not, head over to Play Store and then in the search bar, simply search for WeChat, hit go or enter on your keyboard, and then install the WeChat app on your device. After you've installed it on your device, head over to your app drawer and then the search bar of the app drawer. Open the WeChat app on your device. After which, if you do not have an account, simply hit sign up. You can sign up via mobile or sign up via Facebook. For now, we're going to be tapping on sign up via mobile. You must select your country or region. Make sure that your country is listed in the list of options over here. You must then enter your mobile number, your name, along with your password, and then hit accept and continue to create your account. After you have created your account, WeChat will simply log you into your account and you can start using WeChat. If you already have an account, simply tap on login, select your country, mobile number, after which a verification code will be sent to your mobile number and you'll have to enter your password to log into your WeChat account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.